So I asked an AI platform to build me a website, and it built this. Hey there everyone! Welcome back here in my channel. I am Teacher Marie, and in today's video guys, actually excited ako to share this with you, a new AI platform that I just tested, which literally built me this website. It looks for online jobs for me. It also generates my CV, my resume, portfolio, media kit, freelancing contracts, and also create or generate invoices. And alam niyo ba guys that all I ever did is literally just type all of my ideas in a prompt. So dito sa video na ito guys, tuturuan ko kayo at ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano rin kayo makakagawa ng website or application or landing page, depende sa kung ano yung gusto nyong gawin using this AI-powered platform. Now, before I move on guys, if you started dropshipping months ago but you're still struggling to get sales, then this could be something that you could do. So one thing that really helped me with my own dropshipping store is using Autods, especially their ad spy tool. So basically what it does is it helped me make smarter marketing decisions because I'm able to look into ads that are already doing really well, study the patterns, analyze the hooks, the editing styles, the captions, and even how they present the product. And because of that, I'm able to create better ads for my own store. So instead of constantly guessing which hook works better or which style of ad converts more, I already have access to winning ads that I can study and use as inspiration. That actually saved me a lot of time, money, and unnecessary testing. And on top of that, I also started creating AI UGC ads. Using their newest platform, CreateUGC, I can basically make AI UGC style videos using AI modes like VO3 or Clean AI to create product in hand videos just like these. So instead of making these videos myself or pay a lot of money to hire UGC creators, I can now create content so much faster and at a lower cost. So if you want to improve your ads and reach more people and hopefully increase sales, then you can check out Autods and CreateUGC using the link in the description box below or in the pinned comment in the comment section. So ito yung gagamitin natin na platform today to try to build our dream project. So yung mga ideas niyo before na gusto kong gumawa ng ganito, gusto kong meron akong website na ganito, or app na ganito. So literally up to you on what idea you would want to bring to life. But before that guys, ano nga ba itong Verdant AI? It is an AI-powered coding platform that acts like your own personal development team. So it uses a multi-agent approach. Hindi lang isang AI yung gumagawa or nagbe-build ng idea mo, but multiple AI working together. So the first thing guys is of course you sign up or create for an account for you to be able to access the free trial. So you're going to get 100 credits for the free trial and you can use it for 7 days. So just take note lang guys na whatever I'm showing you here, I'm currently subscribed to a plan which means I have more than 100 credits para makita nyo yung full potential ng kaya niyang gawin. However, don't worry because at the end of this video, I'll also show you what you can do with your 100 free credits. What we're going to do is we're just going to describe our idea. Now, the good thing about this, guys, is hindi mo kailangan na perfect yung prompt mo para maintindihan ka ng tool or platform na ito. So, hindi nga yan perfect grammar or may mga wrong spelling din dyan, but I don't have to correct it. So, basically, yung gusto kong gawin, guys, is it should have like a job post portal, meron siyang match score, meron siyang learning hub, freelancer starter kit, and so on. It's basically analyzing everything that you have listed. And dito guys, as you can see, parang inorganize niya yung thoughts ko, the requirements kung ano yung gusto kong makita sa website. For example, we have here job finder or filter. We're just gonna let it run like that until it's generated what you wanted to get built. So while that's going on right there, I'll just show you the other features of the platform. So my section dito that you can pull up, and this one is where you can create automations. And then we also have this board right here. We have polls. So if you want to see a live progress of your projects or your results. So makikita nyo yan later kapag may natapos na tayong project dito. So after waiting guys for a few minutes, natapos din ni Verdant.ai yung ating project. We are going to see if maganda ba yung pagkakagawa niya ng ating freelancer hub. So let's have a walkthrough of this newly built freelancer hub. So yung main sections na gusto ko, itong job finder, learning hub, CV builder, and starter kit. And it has everything that I asked for so far. Yung checklist, yung job details, specific skill that is needed for this job, apply now button, where if you click on it, it will bring you to the job post. And then we have here find courses. So if you want to upskill for this specific job position, you can just automatically find courses where you can learn. So ito namang learning hub is gusto ko na it's able to pull up YouTube videos or courses from the internet. Literally have all the videos here that you can watch, my free, my paid. Dito tayo sa CV builder. Ida-download mo na lang to or isa-save and it's ready to be sent to your client. And then we have also here the starter kit. So, meron ditong roadmap kung nasaan ka na ngayon sa progress mo, rate calculator, and then meron ditong portfolio kung saan ka pwede makagawa ng portfolio. So far, so good na siya, guys. But I still want to see some more changes for Filipino na mga freelancers na features. So, I just said here, can you change the mood and feel of the hub and use brighter color palette? Keep modern feel. Also asked a better job matching, adding of portfolio generator, itong portfolio builder, media contract generator, and invoice generator. So ang dami niyan guys ha. Let's see if it's able to deliver all of that.
A few moments later.
So I'm going to show you now a walkthrough of the final version of the freelancer hub that we have right now. So, ito yung mga pina-add ko or mga modifications or changes that I have requested. This is how it looks like now. As you can see, the color palette looks way better compared to the initial result. And here, we have requested also the job finder to have a better filtering of the job post. Also, another thing is it already starts pulling up results or job posts from online jobs PH. So it's more a Filipino freelancer friendly now. And then we have here also the learning hub. And here you can see already some options available for Filipino freelancers. So now another modification I have requested is for the CV and resume builder kasi hindi gumagana yung modern and classic switching of the downloadable file. So now it works. And we have added here also portfolio builder. Create your portfolio here, and that's the same thing also with media kit. And I have added it here also where you can create contracts and also invoices. And lastly, we have here PH resources. So far, so good talaga guys yung nagawang freelancer hub ng AI tool na ito. So I'm very satisfied with this one, and we are going to then download this as an HTML file. So itong HTML file na ito guys, all you have to do for you to publish it online, meaning para ma-access siya ng mga viewers or users, then you just have to find a web hosting service. So may mga free drag and drop hosting platforms. My favorite one is Netlify. If you want me to create a tutorial on that, comment it down below and I'll be very happy to create a tutorial video for you guys. Now, if you are also interested to build something pero hindi mo alam how to bring it to life, then you can definitely go ahead and try out Verdant.ai. You can find the link in the description box below or in the pinned comment section. When you sign up, you will get a 7-day free trial where you are given 100 credits. So with your 100 credits, guys, ito daw yung pwede mong gawin using Verdant.ai. So we have small web apps, landing pages, business tools, and we have here the rest of the list. So the point here, guys, is you can still build something, but it is usually something that is small. So for example, this is one of the product that I was able to create using the free trial account, and I was able to come up with a freelance proposal generator. So basically, it's just a one-page, very simple freelance proposal generator. And then when you create generate proposal, it will literally generate the proposal here for you. Super basic lang yung kanyang nagawang proposal, but yes, it's able to generate a proposal for you, which you can copy or you can download into a text file. Now, if you have created something, let us know in the comment section down below what you're able to build. I hope that you find this video helpful. And of course, if you like this video, hit that thumbs up button. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. That's it for now, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!